So when we talk about China and any kind of investments there, I think first about Xi Jinping on this mission to curb financial risk. What is that doing to the Chinese tech startup scene?
Well, I think if you listen to his speech at Davos, I mean it's very clear the future of China in many ways is really around innovation, technology, and starting new businesses. So I think the Chinese government is very much committed to getting there in terms of reforming the financial industry, providing an environment for venture capital, for young people to really create new businesses. So I think the environment is very, very positive.
It feels like there's a very entrepreneurial culture in China in terms of startups. Is foreign investment as welcome as Chinese venture capital money? And what do you think startups see as the value of having foreign money?
Yeah, it's a great question. It is. It's a point where, if you look at the last 10 years, and venture capital has been around really only 10 years versus 40 years in the U.S. Most of the capital has been foreign capital, because it's a foreign invention, if you would, venture capital. And but the RMB funds are quite active in China, and I think in the 10 years has been there's a lot of learning how to do startups, how to invest in startups. And so it's really a hybrid model where there's RMB for certain type of sectors where you invest in. There are certain sectors U.S. dollars are more favorable because you want to have exits offshore versus onshore. So there's a lot of there's multiple
strategic.
Yes, and also in China, what's different than U.S. venture capital is that there's a lot more strategic money involved as well. Corporations in China tend to be more active in the area of technology investing and venture capital. It's a bit different than U.S.